no, sorry. Trade with Crazii version 10.4 review of the 14 April market. All right, let's go into it right now. We're going to take some time because I'm using single screen, so it's a bit of time. Okay, here we go. Can you all see my screen? You can see my screen. Can you press the next number, number 4 right now? This screen with the market up, the PowerPoint slide. Can you see it? Hi, everybody. Can you hear me? Or it seems I lost the people. Not moving. The comments are not coming in, or I'm stuck. Okay, Ken. Oh, okay. I get to see Evans trying to say that. Okay, then I'll just continue. Then you can watch the recording later on. Okay, guys, this is the Dow Jones chart yesterday. So let's go to the 5-minute chart. Now, what happened yesterday was very interesting. The market at the start of the day opened, it's a gap up at the start. Then after that, it shoot up first, but it missed the KTR +1 by a fraction. So after that, when the price came down, it went to KTR -1 instantly. Then after that, there was a 4 diamond over here, but the market failed to stay up. So that's why it's a sell over here instead. And the market came all the way down, and it basically came down to almost KTR -2. But of course, after that, there is a diamond trade whereby you have to put in the line, and you can see what happened. The market still went up, right? And that was where we bought up again, and then it was some profit. And when it breaks down and goes below this one, it was so fast, we couldn't have returned. I checked with the other brokers. Apparently, this order is real and genuine, but don't know who threw it. And based on personal experience, I said before that usually when a market behave like this one, right, this particular area here, is meant to be covered very soon. Like this today, or it's supposed to be done yesterday, but I didn't. So maybe it will be covered today. So watch out for this. Yeah, this is a good as good as the gap trade itself. So get a gap trade. All right, so after that, the market started to surge and went to KTR +1, and you can see that. And of course, you have the diamonds, and at the bottom, you have the bottom diamond. If you draw it properly, you should have the upside. So basically, look at it: morning one trade, afternoon one trade, and night one trade. So I think that will be pretty good for all of us. I'm going to trade every single moment. All right, all clear? If all clear, press the next number 5, like yeah. Not to show you are hearing me. I'm talking to myself, but never mind. It's all recorded, so we can send to you later. All right, I don't see any much response. Okay, coming in. Only Evans is like hearing me, and the rest. Oh, okay, the Rush also hearing me. That's good. Okay, so let's go deeper and see what happened during the intraday. So how would I trade it, right? So simple. First diamond appear already, right? So draw a line at the closing price. Now this one, can you draw as long as possible? Yes, as long as there is no diamond, this line continue. So what happened is that here is where you buy, and this is where you take your profit, because remember, where you enter is 1, where you exit is the nearest technical point, and in this case itself is KTR -1 is nearest to him. So you can take some profit there and hold the remaining, remaining. So of course, this will be your entry, then this will be your stop loss line. Can you see that? So when the market breaks down and it's a red bar, then by right here, you can sell already. And then after that, you can consider to buy back your position, or you wait for it to hit the technical point that I mentioned. So in this case, the market got really hit the technical point, which is here and here. That's if the market knows something like that. Okay. And then after that, the market continues to stagger above the line, and then again, market back to normal. You are holding a position, position trading, and letting it run. All clear? So the difference of day chart trading is the day chart trading, you can buy and hold and wait for a couple of days. But this intraday chart, you get a trade almost instantly every day, 4-5 trades, no problem. All right. So again, I'm not seeing any response from everybody. Let's continue first in case it's recording. Okay, so we're watching here itself. You can see what happened. There is a four diamond. You draw across it like that. So by right itself, below OP, this is where you sell, and this is above OP, that's where you buy. Okay, so that was the first trade there, and then after that, the market continued to go higher. You place another line across it like this. Then again, you saw how it went up. Okay, that's how I buy into this. Then after that itself, right, the market had to go sideways, and then there's a new four diamond appearing. So same thing you do for it. But you can't shoot past that side because there's a new diamond at the bottom. Just shoot until here. Okay, so very simple. Above the line, buy towards the target. When it's below the line, you just have to sell. Okay, the time when you sell was quite dangerous because you sell got no target. All right, no target, and then the market reverse expected with the four diamonds, the diamond coming in. Then again, you draw the line across it, then you have a trade in the market. So I'm not too sure, maybe some issues, but nonetheless, this will happen. Yeah. All right. So after that, you can see very nicely the market stays above with the four diamond, and then of course you draw it properly, you see better. So you notice that on top there's no diamond, right? Okay. So that means that this is the first line, then after the second one was here, it stays like that. So you can see if I will take this away. Okay, hold on. Okay, okay, wait, something went wrong. Hold on. Oh dear. Wait, something went wrong with the sharing screen. Hold on, guys, just hang on a while. Give me a minute. There's some issue here. Okay, all right, I should be back to normal. Okay, so that's what I was telling you, draw here. This is your entry, all right, until here. This is your stop loss. So what you can see is that when the price go up, you just have to buy. And then when it breaks below the first line, if that's where you sell. But because again, it didn't go down long enough, you basically have a recovery stage here yourself. And then what happened, you just have to follow through the action and have a new four, there's a new diamond at the bottom. So you need to draw this again, and you draw, and you have the same answer helping you this time around. Okay, so not over there. You should be over here, and here you have it. Ah, like this. So when the market is above the line, you buy, no problem. But once you go below the line, you just have to sell, and you can see the market really come down. So this is where you draw your line on the whole day. Every day you look at the line, you draw, then you cover, look at it. If the market is doing well like this, and you look at the KSI, it's also green, then you are in a very favorable position. Okay? Now let's say you are also doing here, you buy, but then after that, what happened? The price go up, you profited, but the price come down and go below. I mean, that's something you can do lah, unless you turn a short position here. Okay? All clear? All right, if all clear, it's all right. Let's get your comment box is working. If all clear, press number 6 right now. Okay, so this is the gold market, and you can see that this is gold open and then trade lower, but they have a common high yesterday. Very interesting, yeah, common high. Okay, so let's see the overview first. Now, the overview is not pretty, but basically the market was already gapped down, and then it recover until about the midpoint in the afternoon session. The gold went down. So it's exactly remember what Richard said during the last Saturday's event. Initially, okay, sideways, a bit of upside. Then after that, in the afternoon session, gold will come down. Interesting, yeah. Okay, so let's go into the detail of it. How can we trade gold? So we traded in the morning with Jakarta. I saw a stacked diamond here. I draw my line, which is something like this. My stop loss something like this. I reach about $100. So when the price go up, right, I make about $108 exactly. All right. So basically, that's how we trade. Now, some people who came in late, they say, kind of try the market. Yeah, you can try. This is you can buy here. You buy here, which is the four diamond. I'll break that you saved it again. After you buy already, right, it goes up. Okay, done. So once it basically breaks below and has a red bar, you have to focus to the sell side already. So that is how we will actually do this for gold trading. All right. So the line can be extended until the next diamond. Yeah. So look at it very simple here. We have a very clear picture whereby initially here there was let me just draw it properly. Yeah. Hold on. Okay, so like this until here, you can see the market stays all the way below the OP mark. Okay, all below. Then after that, there's new diamond here. You change it to this side here, then things got different. That's why you can sell the market and bring it down. And there's the first technical point I mentioned, and that was where you can actually buy back your position. Okay, so that is what happened to gold yesterday. Okay, so I hope that you guys have learned something today on the revision side itself, because now it's 9:03 a.m. I need to rush. I need to be downstairs by this 9:15. So that'll be all for today's session. I'll see you more later on once I reach the office. This is Kel signing off. Take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.